Welcome, business community. Now, if you're a business owner, you know about the customer journey and you know about competitive advantage. And in this video, I would like to show you some ideas about how to use artificial intelligence to optimize your customer journey. The idea about to build an AI engine that mimics your customer journey. So let's start. The competitive advantage in our digital economy, what is it? It is more or less the ability to analyze and to utilize personalized customer data, consumer data at scale. And from the use of artificial intelligence to mimic, to shape, to further customize, and then to optimize the customer journey for the customer. So how to do it? Well, the idea is to have a digital twin. Maybe you are familiar with the idea of a digital twin for maintenance for machinery, but you can also computationally optimize in a simulation your customer journey for your customers. And then you can train artificial intelligence models to get better and better and learn and do A/B testing operation. So let's start with this idea. Now, you know the customer voyage, let's call it voyage, has a lot of interaction with your customers. You have the pre-purchase interaction, let's call it advertising, marketing, whatever you like. Then you have the actual purchase, the sale, the transaction that's going on. And then afterwards you have post-purchase. You have the service, you have loyalty, whatever is interaction you can define for your business. Now, there is a significant problem. And the problem is based on the organizational processes in your company, on the technology and the way people think and work together. Now, one solution might be that you have to solve 2 points. The first one is maybe there is no single platform in your business that integrates all customer data, and I really mean all customer data, in one platform and enables advanced analytics on those customer data in real time. And the second is you need tools to facilitate some cross-functional teams when they have some rapid experimentation and learning. And maybe they can do this while you're fully operational. You can do a lot of A/B tests with your customer if you send them some personalized offers, if you respond to them, if you address them with specific messages. The area of possibilities in this topic is almost endless. Let's take an example. Let's be specific. Harvard Business Report provided with some data about geo-targeting. Now, I learned from this report that Starbucks geo-targets lapsed customers who are near its stores with specific ads about new actual beverages and sends those customers personalized in-app offers on the Starbucks app to encourage them to visit the brick-and-mortar store of Starbucks. So you see the interaction. Having an iPhone where you have the Starbucks app and you have some geo-targeting enabled and the customers are close by your stores, then you can provide some incentive for the customers to come and visit your store. And of course, it is an approach that is based in game theory, because you want to activate this specific, this beautiful user experience across multiple digital channels. You want a system that is able to connect multiple touch points to engage your customer. So you are not just multi-channel, but you go cross-channel links. And those touch points are so sensitive, and you do have to experiment a lot of in the digital media to get those channels right. The interaction between those channels and the user experience. So let's summarize it. I think the future is definitely in the digital economy in some personalized offers to your customers, to your existing customers, to your very valuable customers, to your new customers you identified. and you have an overall digital engagement. And some ideas about some continuous digital engagement, some game theory. You see that some companies provide really games for their customer where more or less they are triggered then to have a certain wish in them, to have a certain purchase decision. You have to be multi-channel, you have to be you have to have active cross-channel links. You have to have a lot of freedom for experimentation between your cross-functional teams, from marketing, from production, from products, from operational, from strategy, from sales. You have to have those teams, they have to have the same data platform, and they have to be able to understand what is going on. And you have the ability to have a digital twin with artificial intelligence model to have the best personalized customer journey for your customer that you can offer. Those are some thoughts about this topic, and in the next video I will show you a simple approach how to code this. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.